What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI Best Credit Card. So kung ikaw ay beginners pa lang sa credit card, ano nga ba yung best credit card for you? At saka kung ikaw ay mayaman, of course, kasi we can say that credit card or BPI credit card is the best if afford mo yung annual fee kasi may kataasan din talaga yung annual fee niya since ito ay nag-o-offer ng iba't ibang perks and benefits. So ngayon, credit cards with no annual fee, huwag kayong mag-expect ng mataas na advantages or perks and benefits from it. It's because designed lang siya for low-income earners. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung perks and benefits, of course, kung magkano yung magiging cashback ninyo, magkano yung magiging rewards, at saka kung magkano yung annual income requirement ng BPI Best Credit Card. Kasi nakadepende siya guys kung ano yung lifestyle ninyo, kung may kotse kayo or wala, kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, mahilig kayo kumain sa restaurants kasi nag-o-offer minsan ng 50% discount using that credit cards. Pero bago yun, nais mo na kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, the best BPI credit card depends entirely on your spending habits. So kung paano ka gumastos, mahilig ka mag-travel, mahilig ka kumain sa restaurants, something ganyan. As BPI offers cards tailored for different priorities like cashback, travel rewards, or fuel rebates. Here are the top BPI credit cards based on typical spending categories. So kung mahilig kayo sa cashbacks at saka mahilig kayo mag-travel, so may credit cards na nagbibigay ng travel rewards at saka kung may sasakyan kayo, so meron mga fuel rebates na ino-offer si BPI credit card. So nandito yung mga nangungunang credit card ni BPI guys. Unang BPI credit card is yung BPI Signature Card. So the best siya for premium rewards and lifestyle perks. So kung mahilig kayo mag-travel, isa din to kasi mas maganda to gamitin outside the Philippines, di ba? Then key features is 2 BPI points for every 20 pesos spent, access to exclusive deals. So 2 BPI points for every 20 pesos spent, accessible siya to exclusive deals. Nakadepende siya kung ano yung deals na ino-offer ni BPI Visa Signature. Kasi itong BPI Signature Card is Visa, ito siya. Then, yung minimum annual income requirement niya is 1,200,000 pesos, as you can see. Then next natin guys is yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. Dining and online food delivery. So maganda naman itong BPI Amor Platinum Cashback kapag mahilig kayo magpa-deliver ng food at saka mahilig kayo kumain sa restaurants. 4% cashback on restaurants, food delivery, 1% on supermarkets and shops. So from the word itself, BPI Amor Platinum Cashback Card. So more on cashback siya. Sa dining and online food delivery, 4% siya sa mga restaurant. Kung nagpa-deliver kayo, 4% din. Then 1% naman sa supermarket and shops. As is yun guys. Kahit wala siyang promo, walang promo si BPI na ino-offer. Talagang as is na 4% yung cashback niya kapag ginamit nyo pambayad sa restaurants at saka sa food delivery. And then 1% sa supermarket and shops. Then yung annual income requirement naman niya is 1 million pesos. So kapag nag-apply kayo, kailangan yung income requirement nyo within a year, gross yon, hindi pa naman siya net. Basta kumikita kayo ng 1 million, qualified kayo for that credit card which is yung BPI Amor Platinum Cashback. Then next natin guys is yung BPI Amor Cashback Card. So cashback pa rin siya. Everyday local groceries and essentials. 4% cashback on supermarkets, 1% on drugstores and utilities. So sa mga supermarket guys, like for example, SM Supermarket, Robinson Supermarket, yan, 4% yan. Tapos 1% naman sa drugstore or utilities. Sa mga butika, bibili kayo ng gamot, 1% yon. Tapos kung gagamitin nyo pambayad ng PLDT, Meralco, ganyan, tubig, 1% naman yung cashback niya. Then yung income requirement niyo guys is 180,000 pesos. Then yeah, let's talk about BPI Platinum Rewards Card. So yung BPI Platinum Rewards Card naman ito. Travel and international spending. So ito na yung para sa mga mahilig mag-travel abroad. Diba? Yung mga travelers. Ito yung best credit card, BPI Platinum Rewards Card. 2 points per 20 pesos foreign spend. Free airport lounge passes. So maganda to guys kasi since traveler kayo, before yung flight nyo, pwede muna kayo mag-relax sa lounge access kasi may free lounge access ito sa terminal or airports. Then yung points naman niya na ma-earn is 20 pesos. Foreign spend is equivalent to 2 points. Then, yung annual income requirement niya guys is 1 million pesos. Para yun sa BPI Platinum Rewards Card. Then yeah, let's move on to Petron BPI Card. Fuel expenses. So, ito naman kung may mga kotse kayo, mahilig kayo travel, ganyan, hovering around, traveling by land. So, maganda itong BPI Petron card kasi para to sa rebates or cashback kapag nagpapagas kayo sa gasoline station. Kasi 3% yung fuel rebate at all Petron stations nationwide. So, remember guys na exclusive lang siya for Petron gasoline stations. Then, yung annual income requirement niya is 180,000 pesos. Then, key considerations is rewards versus cashback. Do you prefer accumulating points to redeem for miles or gift certificates? Or would you rather have money back on your statement? So, kailangan nyo malaman guys na rewards versus cashback. When you say cashback kasi is ibabalik yung ginastos nyo. Tapos yung rewards naman is pwede siyang i-convert into gift certificate or di kaya pwede siyang redeem as miles kapag nagcha-travel kayo. Then, income level. Your annual income determines which cards you are eligible for. So, na yun nga, kung magkano yung annual income requirement, so, kailangan ma-reach nyo yun. Kung magkano lang yung income nyo per year, so, yun lang yung a-apply nyo dapat. Kasi hahanapan kayo ng proof of income. Don't worry guys, kasi may 180,000 lang naman na pwede nyong applyan, which is para sa minimum wage earners. Tapos yung 1 million, 1.2 million, para yung sa may mga business, ganyan. Annual fees. Most cards have an annual fee, though the first supplementary card is often free for life. So, take note lang guys na ito siya, syempre may annual fee ito. Kailangan nyo talaga i-consider yon. So, yung annual fee is nag-range siya sa 5,000, yung BPI Visa Signature nasa 5,500 yun. Tapos yung Platinum nasa 4,000. Then yung Gold naman is nasa 2,500. Ganyan. Specific promos. BPI frequently runs promotions like 0% installment plans, which can add significant value depending on your needs. So, kailangan nyo malaman guys, may specific promo siya na ino-offer minsan 0% installment plans, ganyan, tapos which can add significant value depending on your needs. So, kahit pa paano makakasave kayo kapag ino-offer ni BPI yun, kasi may discount din talaga siya. You can compare all the options in detail and apply directly on the official BPI website. So, pwede kayo mag-check dyan guys, official website ni BPI para i-check, i-compare kung ano yung mga perks and benefits ng credit card na nais ninyo para kahit pa paano maging aware kayo. At saka yun guys, be aware of your spending using your BPI credit card kasi the moment na hindi nyo mabayaran ng buo yung statement of account, 3% yung ipapatong nun sa next billing cycle. At kapag tuloy-tuloy yun, hindi nyo talaga nabayaran, malulubog at malulubog kayo. Dapat be mindful sa kung magkano yung in-spending nyo, spend below your means. Do not ever go beyond it kasi may hirapan kayo. At saka kung hindi nyo nabayaran, masisira yung credit score ninyo sa Credit Card Information Corporation at mahirapan na kayo ma-approve sa future loans ninyo at hindi na kayo makakuha ng credit cards. So I think that's all for now. Sana may share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!